Okay. You see the watermark on the wall. Goes across the ceiling. Right up there. Comes down. It's there. Right up there. There's none over there. And I had to pull that carpet out. Carpet padding out. Had to. One thing's for sure, you can tell I vacuum on a regular basis. There's not a buildup of dust underneath the carpet. Yeah, and they just put that down. Got wet again. So they never did put the baseboard back. Never did finish this room. The towel bar's not on. I was just in the process of cleaning all this up for Alma. I just moved her bed back here. Just moved her dresser back here. I cleaned it real good. And if Saturday, we didn't get a flood. Same kind of flood I'm talking about. Anyways, that window's open. Got the carpet up off the floor. Got this one sucking air out of here. Ding ding. Window open. Got our mattress up off the floor on plastic storage container lids. So this room, all along, all on the wall, wet over there. I really need to get in here and try to get that carpet up too, but I'm tired. I can't do no more tonight. I did all this. They had the carpet down flat on the slab. Can't do it that way. They still got to cut the walls open. Ain't gonna be able to dry this house out unless you cut the individual stud bays open to do some inspection, at least in certain areas. I know what they're probably planning on doing. That's the reason they're trying to get me out of here. I did my part to try to save as much as I could. I do not like I was just getting ready to put our house back together. Look how bad it was in here. As far as